Okay. Now, the last time we were together, we said we're going to build a HTML front end. We're going to build a fast API server, which is going to be communicating to to the M-Pesa servers. So when we want an SDK push, we're going to talk to it. It's going to say, "Yeah, I got you," and then it's going to send going to send an SDK push to them. Let me just bend this lightly. Yeah. So it's going to send us an SDK push, and then when everything is okay, it will send back a callback saying everything is good and your server is going to be happy and your account balance will be better. So let's do that quickly. So I'm going to start by, should we write the code first or should we go to, let's just write the code. So I'm going to open up VS Code. Mm, you can use any ID of your choice. For simplicity, I'm going to go to VS Code. So I'll open a folder. We'll just have a folder that, and I want to have my projects inside the VS Code projects. Okay, that is the wrong move. Actually, that is the wrong. Okay, open folder. May not. Let's not have this one. Let's go inside the VS Code projects. Let's just have a new folder. We're going to call it. Okay, VS Code projects. This folder. Let's rename it to Mpesa Beginner. Mpesa Beginner. And then, because we are all beginners, select that folder and select that folder. So let's work with this folder. Now we are in simple. We're going to make an index.html and we are going to create a very nice h1. Let's give it a heading, call it M-Pesa tutorial. M-Pesa tutorial. And yeah, let me close this welcome page. And then I'm going to just open with the live server. I'm going to preview what we made. Yeah, M-Pesa tutorial. Oh, wrong spelling. M-Pesa. Yeah, it's M-Pesa tutorial. So we already have a HTML page. Okay. Now let's do our backend. Let's work on the backend. We're going to build a fast API server. So if it's an API, do we even need the API right now? Let's just host this project, see what we have. And I'm going to go to, I'm going to open my browser. So I'm going to host it on GitHub. Uh, so you need to go to github.com. github.com. If you don't have an account on GitHub, you should be having an account on GitHub. And I'm going to create a new repository. So just create a new repository, call it Pesa Beginner. Yeah, Pesa Beginner. And so this is the beginner course for not JavaScript. The beginner course for M-Pesa in JavaScript and Python. Yeah, so it's going to be public, nothing else. Just create the repo. After the repo is made, you will get this very nice page with nothing on it. You see this section here, or create a new repository on the command line. Just copy this, copy all this, go back to your VS Code or whatever IDE you're using. You need to have a terminal, and on the terminal, give it a second to open. And they really hate AI. Why do we, I don't need any AI features right now. And then I'm going to just paste it on my terminal. And it's initializing the project. One file changed, yada yada yada. It's not able to access, so it returned a 403. Not to worry. Um, why is it not able to access my Nini? Because um, I'm not authorized to open this account. So just fix that in a few. But let's just first add git add. We're going to add everything. Then git commit. I'm going to say this is my base setup. Then git push. Oh, okay. I need to also set up the upstream. So um, just paste that. So I'm not able to access, I don't have permission to access this repository. I'm going to fix that problem right now. So why am I not able? Because I have two accounts. So this is the accounts I'm using for tutorials. And I also have a different account. So here's my main GitHub account. So by default, my VS Code is connected to this account. So I'll not be able to push to the other one. But what I can do is I can just go back to this account. See this project, just go to settings, and yeah, we have some bad internet is not so good. So I'm going to go to collaborators, and I'm going to add people and invite myself. So my other username is Madegwa. So I'm going to invite myself as a collaborator to this project. Then I'm going to go back and notifications. And so I believe on your side, since you only have one account, you can just push it. It's not, should not be a problem on your side. Um, so invitation to join Madego Kiddies Mpesa beginner project. Going to accept the invitation, and voila. See, I'm in that project as a new guy. So hopefully when I go back to VS Code and attempt to push, yeah, as you can see, we pushed a total of 6 new things. And when I go back to the project, so this is uh, my main account. As you can see, the index.html is there, the readme is there, but let me just close this one because that is not the one we were dealing with. And yeah,